Let's first have a moment of silence for this day trader's account. Okay, that was good enough. Here we have a real life story, a case study of what day trading and ignorance, arrogance, and not having a plan can lead to. And this is just a nasty, nasty situation. But let's first set up the trade, and then we'll walk you through what happened next. So this person says, I would have started shorting at $278.09. A couple things for simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna say 278. And then shorting means making money when prices go down. So if you're a beginner just getting started, maybe you didn't realize you can make money when stock prices or any sort of price goes down, but you can. That is known as shorting or going short. So in other words, if the price goes up, that means you lose money. So again, shorting means you want to see prices go down. You don't want to see prices go up. We then learn more when he says, I would enter short, then autopilot all the way down to $88.78 for NVIDIA. Again, for simplicity's sake, I'm just gonna say $89. So $89 was his price target and his entry point was 278, and this is all happening on the stock of NVIDIA, NVDA. I don't use stop loss. Now, hopefully I don't really need to say anything more, but I don't know how new you are, so very quickly, a stop loss means the area where you're gonna say, okay, I was wrong, I gotta get out. That's what a stop loss is. You admit you're wrong, you get out, you take a loss. So I tell this person, only a matter of time before you take a massive hit. Let me be very clear here. I'm not trying to say I'm some sort of trading savant, that I'm a brilliant person. No, even if you have a basic understanding of trading and risk management, then you could have given this person this same exact warning, right? So I'm not sitting here saying this was some epic discovery, epic observation on my part. No. This is something that anybody with even a little bit of experience can see an issue with when somebody says, I don't use a stop loss. So the yellow line there shows the entry price of where they wanted to get in. So that's representing $278, and the blue line represents the price. So let's see how this person's trade plan played out. You can see right now they would have gotten in the trade, because very clearly that blue line has gone up above the red or the yellow line. So they are now in the trade. So let's see how things continue to play out. Price does go in their favor, so that's always good from a shorting standpoint. Comes back up, rejects back down. So okay, but remember their price target was down below $100. Price comes back up, comes back down. So it is struggling with that area. Comes back up, goes above it, comes back down, goes back up. And remember, the up part doesn't really, mean anything because they said they have no stop loss. So price keeps going up, and now price is really going up. Okay, comes down a little bit, but remember, they don't have a stop loss, and that yellow line was their entry point. But let's keep seeing how this story plays out. And then just like that, look at that explosion, and the top of that move hit $395. Where is their entry point? All the way down here at $278. That is an epic move against them. And there's no way around it. That person got a margin call. That person lost their account or took a huge hit in their account. And I'm gonna go ahead and I fully admit that this is speculation, but I think I have good grounds on the speculation. This person is new. They don't actually know what they're doing. So I'm assuming they didn't have a huge account, but it is what it is. They got absolutely destroyed, probably got a margin call or just had to wave the white flag, and hopefully they got out. Now, I will say that I don't want to see this happen to anybody. So in my mind, maybe, just maybe, hopefully this person was some like 17-year-old, hopped up on testosterone, going through puberty. They're getting hair under their armpits. They're living in their mom's basement and eating lasagna. I hope that's the case. So I hope this person was just talking tough, kind of just trolling around, and they never even took the trade, because if they did, as you saw, that would have been a really bad situation. So like I said, maybe for my own peace of mind, I'll just pretend that this was some 17-year-old kid going through puberty, hopped up on, like I said, testosterone and feeling tough, so they wanted to be a keyboard warrior. So I'll tell myself that. But overall, I don't think I need to say a whole lot more of this lesson other than, you know what? Arrogance, ignorance, not having a plan, not managing risks with stop losses. I'm not here to deny that, a lot of times it can work out to not use a stop loss because it'll come back in your favor enough for you to take a profit. So I'm not denying that. But all I'm saying is, and as I warned this person, there is going to be a time where you take a massive hit so it's not a question of if you take a massive hit, it's how bad is a massive hit going to hurt you. Is it margin call, entire account gone? Is it weeks, months, years of profits gone? Again, it's not a matter of if you're going to take a massive hit. You're going to take a massive hit. How bad will it be? That's really the only point of discussion. So I had nothing more to say. Hopefully this didn't actually happen, but if it did, we started the video. We'll end the video with a moment of silence for this trader. There we go. So if you enjoy these videos, if you enjoy these case studies, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and let me know. Do you think this person actually took the trade, or do you think my theory about them living in their mom's basement is the case? Like I said, do you think this actually happened or didn't? Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, one final time, a moment of silence. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.